Hi guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni and I'm back with a brand new video. And today we are going to talk about a topic and it's called high years. So, high me in 5 years. What do I see myself in the I see myself in the next 5 years to be a very popular YouTuber one day, hopefully. I really hope that I get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. But you know what? I don't want 500 subscribers. For straight up, I really want to get at least 1 trillion subscribers. If I was the first person for the next 5 years of doing my YouTube video, and I'm looking at myself today now, in the next 5 years, I see myself getting 1 trillion subscribers. I'll be the first person for actually get 1 trillion subscribers. That would be super dope and be awesome, to be totally awesome. And I just really hope that my dream comes true. I really hope so. So if you guys can please give me a big like and please give me so much subscribers. I'm dying to be a YouTuber so bad. And I hope that if I ever see myself in 5 years looking at this video and I see myself making a video about hi me in 5 years, I really my dream come true. I really hope that I become a YouTuber one day, and I hope that I get better in making great ideas. And sometimes I feel like my videos are amazing, but basically my kind of video sucks, to be honest. I did different videos in my life. Like I remember my first video was called Israeli salad. Actually, my mom did it with me, so I don't even remember how much time I did the video because I kind of messed the video 10 times. But I just really hope, I want to pray to God that I hope that I get myself in 5 years, like I'll be very I hope I don't fail to be a YouTuber. I really hope I make on YouTube in the next 5 years. And I just really hope that for the next high me I really like I get subscribers. And if I was the first person in the universe to get 1 trillion subscribers and 1,000 and like 3,000 watch, that would be freaking amazing. I would be like #1, and then Beast will be like #2. But I hope so. But I don't know, like, what do I see in 5 years? Like, actually, like, I'm into this. I really love YouTube. I feel like YouTube is in my blood, and I grew up with YouTube. Like, I grew up listening like YouTubers like Johnny Mr. Like, I grew up watching YouTube all day long. I can even watch YouTube watching MrBeast like about 5 years ago. Freaking amazing, to be honest. But like, seriously, I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video. But please, if you can do me a favor, please subscribe to me. I really hope I get, 1 trillion subscribers. I know what I'm so much, but like I really hope, because like I'm actually working super hard, prove myself that I'm very loyal to all you guys. And like I hope that you guys can give me all your comments and all your thoughts and everything about how you feel about hi me by 5 years. And like I'm actually 23 years old. My parents want me to get like a regular job, but I don't want to work in a regular job. I don't want to have that life like my parents have. I want to have a good life. Like I know who I am. I know that I was meant to be here to be a YouTuber one day, and I really hope I become a YouTuber. And I hope that my kids in the next 5 years, hopefully if I have kids, but it's kind of if I have kids now because I'm 23. But like, I really hope that like a lot of good happen to me in 2025 or 2026. Like, who knows what's going to happen in the next 5 years? Maybe I'll get discovered from YouTube, and I'll get like 1 trillion subscribers and 3,000 watch. And I'm not going to lie to you. Every time I do a YouTube video, I never get any views. My views used to be like 3,000. And now it's like 6 views, like 6 views, something like that. But like when I'm doing my shorts, I get a lot of views from that. But like, I don't want to do shorts. I prefer to, like, it's my life. It's who I am. And I'm not really, I don't know, like, I need to figure out what's the code to be a YouTuber. Like, I need to find the answer of the code. Like, where's the ingredients? Like, sorry, it's not good, but I don't, like, like, where is the looking? I find the piece for the code. Like, MrBeast found the code to make people like so much in a YouTube video by giving people money for no reason. Me personally, I promise to God that I want to build him so much temple and make people believe in him again. And I also want to take care of all the homeless people, and there's going to be no more homeless people, and they're going to be rich, and they're going to be happy people ever. And I want to do that. I like making people smile. I like making people happy. But I'm not thinking about that like right now, but like to be like, if you can do me a favor and give me 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and in the future, if I in the next 5 years, if I really do 1 trillion subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, it would be freaking dope. But yeah, guys, like, this is just a video. Hi, like, you know, it's called Hi Me, of Carney, but I wanted to make it because I see myself in 5 years doing amazing in YouTube one day, and I hope so. So, wow, it's 6 minutes doing this. Yeah, I have nothing to say to you because, like, I just, like, I love YouTube. I have a personality. Like, I'm obsessed about YouTube. Like, I'm obsessed with YouTube. Like, I do it every day. I want to do it. I think about new ideas, but sometimes I don't have good ideas because you guys never, give me comments below. So next video should I do? But nobody, wants to comment with me. But I become a YouTuber one day. Just say that'll be freaking awesome. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys can please subscribe to me. And I love you all equally and respectfully. I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope you guys have fun watching me of my feature video diary, and it's called Hi Me 5 years. So I hope you guys like this video, and adios.